Bonjour à tous et bienvenue. In our today's session, we are going to have a look at the days of the week in French. Les jours de la semaine. Les jours de la semaine. I get it. If you're a beginner, then it must be really tricky for you to remember all the days of the weeks, the spellings, the pronunciations. But trust me, with time, you're going to get a hang of it. So let's get started. Monday in French is known as lundi. Lundi. Tuesday is mardi. Mardi. Wednesday is mercredi. 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 Thursday is jeudi. Jeudi. Friday is vendredi. Vendredi. Saturday is samedi. Samedi. And the last, Sunday. Dimanche. Dimanche. Très bien. Let's go through all of these once again. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. Très bien. If you like the video, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated for the future videos. A bientôt!